Welcome back to another travel vlog. We're finally here in Kunming. Over the next few days, we'll be traveling to Dali, Lijiang and Shangri-La. Join us on this trip as we'll share everything you'll need to know about traveling to China. From what apps to download, whether you should get an eSIM or a local SIM, how to get around, and most importantly, showing you how beautiful Yunnan is. Our first day is mostly just traveling. We flew into Kunming Changshui Airport, then headed straight to Kunming Rail Station to take the high-speed rail to Dali. Okay, so Google Maps don't work well in China. You will need to download Amap, also known as 高德地图 here. For the places that we'll be sharing throughout this video, we'll put the Chinese names of the locations in the description below, so that you can just copy and paste into your app for easy reference. Okay, so now we just had our breakfast and coffee. We are back in the hotel room waiting for our driver. We managed to get a voucher for today, total of 9 hours, so about 450 yuan. Today we'll be visiting the other side of Erhai Lake. Weather's really good, so let's go.
Let's talk about their payment apps. Nobody uses cash anymore. Even the street carts are using QR code payment. QR payments are mainly done through WeChat or AliPay. WeChat requires a local number, so we found AliPay more convenient. There are two ways of paying. You can either scan the vendor's QR code or let them scan your code. Do take note that anything above 200 RMB has a 3% transaction fee.
really taste the hanjin.
好吃。
因为我知道它一招我就越南。
Okay, we are now in
双廊古镇。
双廊古镇。
招财进宝，锦鲤纳福，事事如意。然后这款就背了个小葫芦，就福禄安康，去恶消灾，在人际啊职场是反小人的。The sun.
It's killing us. We are now full gear. Umbrella, plus fan, plus cap, plus sunglasses. We applied sunblock. Everything we have, we've used it. Yeah.
云南普洱梦年现产的咖啡，整体的风味喝起来像是一杯加了黑糖的梅子酒，这样会比较干净。然后过滤完了下来，哎，大差不差，应该大概是这个味道。
Just burp.
Your right side, only can show this Okay, so we are here at Yujiazun. Try the Baizu Cai, Yesen Juntang. This is recommended by Pinker.
这是怀牛肝菌，这是羊菌。
The best sunblock. Just cover your whole face.
Oh my god, I forgot. Yes?
So here's the trick to ordering food in China. Download the Meituan app. Before ordering, search for the restaurant on the app. You'll see packages at much lower prices, often almost half the price. Purchase from the app and show the QR code straight to the staff. Here's the caveat. You'll need a local number in order to sign into Meituan. If you have a local number, you can get access to all these local benefits, but the downside is that your internet will be restricted unless you have a VPN. An eSIM is much more convenient. You can activate it even before you arrive into the country. For this trip, we got an eSIM and a local number, so we get to enjoy the best of both worlds. Okay, so just done with our first massage in China.
I feel like yes doesn't justify how good it was.
Yeah, it feels like a mix of tuna plus Thai massage.